Hey guys, how you doing? This is Home with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're gonna make a small backpack or a mini backpack, so don't go anywhere. I have to make about, I think it's like 10 or 11 small backpacks, but I never done a backpack in my life before. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this material. This is what I used to do, what I used to use to make patches. And I stopped doing patches, so I got this material just laying around. So I'm gonna use that material to make the prototype. So let me turn everything on. I'm gonna be using the Cam 5 laser to cut the patterns. And honestly, I don't remember how they go together, but let me turn everything on so we can cut this real quick. I gotta change the fabric because the other one that I was gonna use, well, it did not work because I have it all, it's being rolled up for so long. It's just messing up with the laser. So I gotta tape this one together or tape it to the laser, and hopefully this will hold it in place for me to cut it. Because the other one that I had, that khaki one, it did not work. It just, because it was all curled up, it messed it up. So let's cut this one and see what happens. As you can see, it's also doing the same thing. So what I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna take the pieces as they go, and I'm gonna tape it, that way it'll hold it down. But it looks like I got all of my pieces. To be honest with you, I don't even remember half of these pieces. There's not gonna be any straps because I didn't create the straps yet. Again, just the prototype. Now let's go sew and put them together and see what it's gonna look like. Okay, so like for example, this little pieces right here, I'm not gonna use because this one is for the actual strap. I'm not gonna put a strap, but that's what this is. So that's not gonna be used. This one right here, I don't think I'm gonna use that either. I'm just gonna use this ones right here. And these little openings right here, they're actually for zippers, which I don't have to put zippers on this one. It will be just a waste of a zipper, but I'm still gonna sew it just so I can see what that's gonna look like. And once I do the actual bag, it's actually gonna be sublimated and it's gonna have names on them. That opening will be for a zipper. This is actually bagged that once I put the zippers, like for example, on this one right here, I'm gonna fold this almost like if I was putting a zipper. But one of these deals is gonna go inside, and this is gonna create a pocket once we close it. So there'll be a zipper right here. I know right now it's not straight or anything, but that's gonna be a pocket. So this is how the backpack is gonna be standing, and you have your zipper and you got your pocket right there for your phone or keys or whatever you want to put in there, just like that. And this one right here is actually the one for this side. This is why we make prototypes. So whenever I mess it up, I don't mess it up again. And what this is actually going to be, this is a bigger pocket, so it's going to be a pocket within a pocket, and this one is going to go in front right here. So you'll have this pocket and then you'll have another one in here. I forgot to put another zipper right here, so I will have to make note that I need to put a zipper right there. And so now that we have this bag semi put together, this one's going to be sewn right at the bottom right here. So this one I actually have to measure it and literally put a line right there, if I remember measurements. And this is so I can see on the inside where I have to sew it, just like that. And again, we're gonna fix this kind of like if we had a zipper. I'm just gonna sew it just so it looks like it actually, like the way it's gonna look like once we put it together. And these bags are actually gonna be sublimated, and it's gonna have names on them. Piece right here that I'm working on right now, it might change. It will change actually, because this piece right here is where the name's gonna be. So you're gonna have a name Like for example, I'll make another video with my daughter's name on it, and I will my daughter's name is Elizabeth, so I will put it right here. I think this pattern, now that I'm remembering, I think this pattern I made it for a leather bag, not for this one right here. So the zipper will move right here, and then this will have the actual name. You'll see it, they look really nice. It's funny because I say they look real nice and I never done one. I never made one. This is the first time I'm making a bag. Hold on, let me look for that other piece because I'm missing one piece like this. I have no idea what happened to the other piece, but I went and took the one from the other one that didn't work, and I'm gonna use that one. It's gonna go on the bottom anyways. This is gonna be the hardest one because, you know, there's gonna be all these pieces in there. Look, I found the other piece right on the freaking floor. But it's okay, we already got this one in there. So now what I'm doing is I'm finding my center, because I forgot to put notches in there to tell me where my centers are. That's not a big deal. We can find them real quick. And I need those because I need to know where to start sewing, from the bottom up or the bottom, and then I'm gonna go all the way around, just making sure, like for example, I'm gonna make sure that right here I got all 3 pieces lined up. Once the bag is sewn together, I'm actually gonna come back and put another like a what is called a bias around it. Like I said, this is where it's gonna be tricky because of there's 3 pieces and they all have to line up. I should have used the other machine instead of this one. I don't know why I'm using this one. And it's only a pain right there on the corners. Over here it's not that bad. Okay, so this way you can sort of kind of tell what I'm doing. Right here again, we're gonna be sewing 3 pieces together, so we have to make sure that they all align. Just like that. So if you notice, I didn't measure this, so more than likely it's gonna be oversized. So if it's oversized, you always want to end at a corner, or at your corners, that's where you want to leave the little fold. And that's why we made these prototypes. That way I can tell where I need to make adjustment. This one, the one for the small bag, it moved out of place. Okay, so now we're gonna grab this right here. And now one of the things that you have to be careful with is paying attention that everything is backwards right now, or inside out. See, if I would have used the other machine, it would have been a lot easier. The cylindrical arm, which on the other ones, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna use the cylindrical arm. And yeah, it's gonna fight you like that, but it's okay. Doesn't matter what it does, we're still gonna sew it together. This material is very stiff, especially with this with this backing already in place. It's very, very hard. But the other one is not gonna be like that. The other one we can fold it a lot easier. Again, this material is actually for patches, but I don't do patches anymore. I stopped making patches, so that's why I'm using this material for the prototype. And this right here, this little corners that I said I wasn't gonna use, they actually go right here, and that's for the strap right here. But we don't have the straps right now, and I don't care about the straps right now. The only thing I care about is putting the bag together, because the straps are easy, or easier. Just like that, and our bag is put together. All you gotta do is flip it inside out, or right side in, whatever this is. That little mistake where I couldn't find this piece, it actually worked out. Let me finish putting it together or folding it inside out. There's your little backpack. I cannot get in that bag because remember I forgot to put that zipper right there. So the other one is actually going to have a zipper right here. So there'll be a zipper there. There'll be a zipper here for this bag. There'll be a zipper in the back for this other bag. And looking at it, I might extend this bag all the way across. So when you're wearing your backpack, you can actually put your phone right here, you know, cell phone, and that'll be easy access. With the zipper there, you know, zip it, unzip it, and get your phone in and out. We can even put a small ribbon, not a ribbon, but an eyelet right here. So if you want to have your headphones running through there, that's a really good idea. Just like that. And then obviously that's going to be where the big zipper is going to go. Just like that. And then in the back, this little triangles, they actually get sewn in before we actually put the bag together. So this will go in there as something like this. So we put it in there like this, right? And the strap comes out of here. Where's the other one? This one right here. We fold it and the strap will come out. This is not the strap, but I'm gonna use it as if it was a strap. Just like that. Fold it like this and it'll be sewn in there like that. And that's how we get a strap right through here. And it'll end up right there. So it'll go from here to there. Not that small, right? Actually, obviously you can adjust it. But there you go, that's it. So small or mini backpack. This is gonna be really cool because again, this right here will have the actual name. Like for example, if this is for a child, then we can put the child's name right here. But I'll make another video. And that's it for this video, guys. This is actually pretty fun. It was pretty cool making this little video. I think it was fun. I don't know, what do you guys think? Again, I will make the other video where it's all, and this is all going to be all sublimated. So you can put whatever it is you want on the bag. And the next thing we're going to be making is duffel bags, because I get a lot of requests for duffel bags. But this is it for this video, guys. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and ding the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you, guys. It's a pleasure like always, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye now. God bless you, and I will see you later. Adios. Bye bye.